behave. Okay? Okay. Hello? What? Huh? Philippine.
This way is going from the outside, maybe the dog is attacked.
Yeah. I think so.
Safe there.
Yeah.
This is Persian cat, but when
Persian
you-
cat, huh?
Yeah, when you use the hand from the upside, need to wash
Ah.
because the too many hair is removed.
Okay. Thank you. So, this is a Persian cat. Now I know.